Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a crucial component for any serious audio setup. The QLXHBOT XLR female jack panel mount 3-pin connectors, which come in a convenient pack of 6 and feature a very useful waterproof cover. These aren't just any XLR jacks, they are designed with professional applications in mind. The 3-pin female configuration is standard for a wide range of audio equipment, making them incredibly versatile for microphone connections, line-level signals, and various audio speaker applications. The fact that they come as a set of 6 means users have ample supply for multiple projects or for stocking up on spares, which is always a smart move in the audio world. One of the standout features is the robust twist lock latching system. This isn't just a simple click. It's an accurate mechanism that ensures a secure and stable connection, preventing accidental disconnections during live performances or critical recordings. Complementing this is a metal insert in the locking area, which significantly enhances the durability and longevity of the connector, especially in high-use environments where wear and tear are common. The construction material is also noteworthy. The microphone connector adapter boasts a full plastic housing. This specific plastic housing is engineered to provide optimum overall RF protection and electromagnetic shielding. This is vital for maintaining signal integrity and preventing unwanted interference, ensuring the audio remains clean and clear, free from hums or buzzes. Furthermore, the dual-grounded design is a testament to the thoughtful engineering behind these jacks. It ensures excellent contact integrity between the base and cable connectors, which translates directly into superior audio performance and reliability. This attention to detail is what separates a good connector from a great one. And let's not forget the special feature, the waterproof cover. This is an absolute game changer for anyone working in outdoor venues, humid environments, or anywhere moisture could be a concern. It adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding the internal components and ensuring consistent performance regardless of the weather conditions. This makes them an ideal choice for concerts, public broadcasting events, or even karaoke setups where spills might occur. These QLXHBOT panel mount connectors are primarily designed for seamless docking with 4-core card ohms male heads, making them perfectly suited for integration into mixers, amplifiers, and various other audio equipment. They are truly a first choice for audio projects that demand reliability, durability, and pristine sound quality. Whether it's for a professional studio installation or a robust live sound rig, these XLR female jacks offer a compelling solution for anyone looking to upgrade or build their audio infrastructure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.